Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm super happy to have you guys back here again. So this is the part 5 of our birthday shopping vlog series. Hope you have seen parts 1 to 4. And last week I'm super happy because it was actually my birthday and we have gone shopping at YSL. Hope you enjoyed that because I have shown you lots and lots of luxury bags from YSL. But if you haven't, don't worry, I'm going to link it up here and put everything on the description box, so please do check that out. So for today's episode, the 5th installment of our birthday shopping vlog series, come join me guys because we are going shopping today at Fendi. Hi guys, Runner Mirror here, your suking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I am inviting you to please join our growing family. Please do click this small little icon here so you can easily subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, I'm super excited for this episode today guys. So let's make this quick. I don't have any expectations with Fendi, but of course, I'm a huge fan of Fendi Baguette. I would be checking their new collections as well. So please come and join me guys and let's go shopping at Fendi. Yeah, it's the same, no? Yes. 114. Do you have yung parang yung mukhang Fendi packaging but it's a bag? Yung yellow? Ooh, super nice. Ang ganda sa I think same price, right? So. Yeah, yung pahaba. And I feel mas maano siya. Kasi kasha yung phone ko and it's the same price eh. Ah, sure. 111. So same price din siya nung yellow, no? yung leather strap. Yung
For this one, chain din siya.
okay. Mata. Ito parang 100 something yan.
Oh, I like that.
There, how did you like our shopping episode today, guys? So hopefully you had fun shopping today at Fendi. So us personally, there are a couple of bags that we are adding to our wish list. Number one, of course, would be the yellow Fendi bag. So there are two ways. It's just like the classic Fendi boxes of Fendi, but they've turned that into bags. So this was launched, I believe, couple of collections ago. I super love this bag. Finally, it's here in the Philippines, and we're adding that to our wish list. Second, of course, would be the Fendi Baguette. So there are a number of Fendi Baguettes in the store. I also like that one, and I've also like a couple of bags from Fendi. But hopefully, guys, you enjoyed that as well, and comment down below what accessories and bags from Fendi you like from our shopping vlog today. Right, so hopefully, guys, you enjoyed parts 1 to 5 of our birthday shopping vlog series. So again, this is the first time that I'm doing this, and I'm so happy to be doing this together with you. But don't worry, guys, this is not the last parts of our shopping adventure. There will be coming more, so just please stay tuned every Saturdays, because we are going to have more fun shopping together. Alright, so before we end our episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Yenpire on IG. Yenpire, thank you so much for leaving this awesome comment and taking time to watch our Louis Vuitton shopping adventure at Solaire. Super thank you, stay safe, and see you on our next vlog. Alright, again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here, so you could easily subscribe and be part of our growing family. Also, please do hit that notification bell, and of course, give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Please follow me on instagram.com/RamiroFi so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this episode and with the entirety of our shopping vlog adventure. I'm so thankful that I have each and every one of you. Again, like what I mentioned, don't worry, guys, I'm going to post more shopping vlogs because this is what I enjoy, and I'm sure you are enjoying too. So please do always stay safe. I would see you on our next episode. So again, my vlogs are coming out every Wednesday and Saturdays. So I would see you, and bye!